By 2045, we'll have expanded the intelligence of our human-machine civilization a billion-fold. That will be a singularity. And we borrowed this metaphor from physics to talk about an event horizon that's hard to see beyond.
Singularity is where computers really change our view of what's important and change who we are. But we're getting close to some salient things that will change who we are.
Think of a future where AI surpasses human intellect and wisdom. A future where machines answer questions we haven't even thought to ask. This future might be closer than we think. Welcome to the concept of AI Singularity. In the next few minutes, we'll explore AI Singularity, a moment in time when artificial intelligence overtakes human intelligence. This isn't about robots doing our chores or software solving equations faster than us. It's about an AI that evolves to a level of godlike superintelligence, reshaping our world as we know it and transforming the very essence of human existence. So, what does AI Singularity really even mean, and why is it such a pivotal point for humanity? Let's briefly unpack this mind-bending concept that might actually become a reality within most of our lifetimes. AI Singularity is a term popularized by the likes of Vernor Vinge and futurist Ray Kurzweil, who envisioned a world where AI's rapid growth leads to a transformative and irreversible change in humanity. This event is rooted in AI's evolution, from handling simple tasks to learning and problem-solving, growing exponentially.
Information technology grows exponentially. The power of computers, our understanding of the human brain, the spatial resolution of brain scanning, the number of bits we move around the internet. I mean, many different measures of information technology double every 1 year, or every 11 months, 13 months, depending on what you're measuring. So these technologies will be 1 million times more powerful within 20 years. 20 years. In fact, the speed of exponential growth is itself speeding up.
The key concept here is the intelligence explosion, a scenario where an AI, once it achieves a certain level of intelligence, begins to self-improve, leading to rapid and unprecedented growth in intelligence. This self-improving AI could potentially solve complex problems, from curing diseases like cancer to solving global crises, at a speed and scale beyond human capacity. But as we edge closer to this singularity, it raises profound questions. What will this mean for humanity when our own creations outpace us? Let's explore further. Picture a world where climate change solutions are swiftly found, where diseases are cured at an unprecedented pace, and where learning and personal growth are exponentially accelerated by AI companions. Yet, for every optimistic scenario, there are looming risks. The AI singularity could also lead to scenarios where humans lose control over these superintelligent systems. Ethical dilemmas arise when AI makes decisions beyond our understanding or against our moral judgments. Society itself might undergo upheaval as AI reshapes industries, economies, and daily life, potentially leading to significant societal disruption. These scenarios remain speculative, but they invite us to ponder the possibilities and prepare for a future that could be radically different from today.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful. But I think the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. Once humans develop artificial intelligence, it would take off on its own and redesign itself at an ever-increasing rate. Humans, who are limited by slow biological evolution, couldn't compete and would be superseded.
Opinions on AI singularity range from optimistic to cautious. Visionaries like Kurzweil foresee enhanced human capabilities where humans and AI merge, while others like Hawking and Musk warn of risks, fearing it could spell the end of humanity. This debate isn't just technological. It challenges our understanding of humanity, ethics, and control in an AI-dominant future. Can we, should we even, control a superintelligence, and how? Where do you stand in this debate? In an age where AI could potentially make radically better decisions than humans, how do we negotiate the balance of power? Do we risk losing our autonomy? And what safeguards do we need to ensure AI's decisions reflect our collective ethical standards? How will we coexist? What new worlds will we build? The possibilities are as limitless as they are daunting. As we explore the possibilities of AI Singularity, we stand at an exciting crossroads. The future it holds may not be immediate, but every advancement in AI brings us closer to uncharted territories. How do you envision AI shaping our world in the journey toward this groundbreaking era? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. If you're intrigued, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more content. Check out our last video on AGI as a primer to this topic, and stay tuned for more insights into the evolving world of AI.